Tape now.
That was open.
Yeah, I'm showing Jan. I mean, this is going to be the new standard.
Oh, that's awesome.
It's always going to be in Kenny's way.
Should put another one.
I've got it.
Oh, it's right.
It's right there. We won't use any of the oil.
I don't know why.
And this is your watch.
Yes.
Okay.
My phone's dead.
Your phone is dead.
Dead.
In my backpack, there's the charging cord and the plug.
Where's your backpack?
It's on the dresser.
So
See it?
we can do the
Front pocket.
pineapple Canadian bacon one first, right?
You're the decorator. You can do whatever you want.
Yeah, yeah.
Janice is showing off because I'm here.
What do you mean?
I'm going
He'll be over there
Okay.
in a minute. Yeah.
to.
Yeah, he does this and then I decorate.
Okay.
It's like he said, had you brought the kids, we would have had another pizza. So he was like, Dad, do you want to do your pizza oven?
Okay.
Cool.
So this is your pizza. So your pizza.
That's a lot of pizza. I mean,
Well, whatever we do, we give leftover to David.
No, I'll eat it. I'll eat it. I'll eat it.
Mushrooms. Tell me what you want.
Ham, pepperoni, pineapple.
Okay, so this is for you and Faith Ann. Does Faith Ann want anything in particular?
She's not a big fan of pineapple.
Okay. Does she want pepperoni?
Why don't you just make a half and half?
That's what I'm doing.
Yeah.
Pepperoni's good.
There's green pepper. There's
Olives,
oh,
mushrooms.
those look like roasted tomatoes.
The red roasted peppers.
Oh, red roasted peppers.
No peppers.
I'll take some. I'll take a few peppers.
Okay, so you wanted the good. Well, you wanted this too. This is a different kind of.
And you don't mind making this for me?
No.
Okay, cool.
Oh no. We do
I feel
it.
like I should be helping.
We generally do it every Saturday.
Okay.
You wanted these or these?
Roasted.
Roasted.
And you don't have to put a shit ton on there. Just, 6.
Okay. 5. Sorry. And you want pineapple.
Correct.
How much pineapple?
A lot.
You like?
You ever do pepperoni and pineapple?
No.
Oh, it's good.
No, Kenny doesn't like. Oh, actually, he really shouldn't have pineapple.
Really?
It's high in sugar. Did you know that?
Well, yeah, I know. Fruits
Okay.
are-
Let's do.
People would go with,
Faith
I'm on
Ann
a diet and eat a lot of fruit. They're getting a shit ton of sugar.
That's what John.
pepperoni, ham, or Canadian bacon, ham. Canadian bacon, is that what that is?
Yeah, it's Canadian bacon.
Canadian bacon.
I can do
Green pepper.
and I can do more pepperoni if you want. 'Cause I
There's
have
green
all-
pepper.
I need pepperoni over
Olives are
olives.
good, and that's it. Just pepperoni and olives.
And this is the sauce.
This is the homemade sauce.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's mushrooms, right?
She's like, nah.
Sausage.
No,
Okay. Onions.
no,
Jalapenos.
no.
On my
You want jalapenos on your head?
a little bit, you know, a few, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. Is that the only problem?
No. Actually, I should have gotten some out before, but I did
How
not.
long do those keep in the
For
fridge?
a long time. A long